everyone, my name is Maximiliano Firtman. Welcome to my course, Progressive Web Apps, The Big Picture. I am a mobile app and web developer, trainer, and author. Today, when we start a project to create apps, we ask ourselves, native or web? Well, now with PWAs, both are possible. In this course, we're going to enter into the world of PWAs, or Progressive Web Apps, a design pattern to create installable app experiences for mobile and desktop using the web platform. Some of the major topics that we will cover include using PWA as a development and app distribution platform, service workers and serving files client-side, the experience on Android, iOS, iPad, and desktop, and how to publish your PWA, including browser installation and app stores. By the end of this course, you will know what's possible in this platform, how to deploy apps to your users, and how to start a PWA project right away. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic web technology concepts. I hope you will join me in this journey to learn about the PWA platform with the Progressive Web Apps The Big Picture course at Pluralsight.